माय यूट्यूब चैनल फ्रेंड्स। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा 11 प्रूवन वेज टू मेक मनी विथ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। रियल बेस्ट ऑफ digital marketing, saving 70% of digital marketing full training. Do you want to learn how to make money with digital marketing? Whether it's starting your own online business, selling freelance service, or getting a sales jobs, there are plenty to way to make money using digital marketing. In this guide, I provide the 11 most effective way to make money with digital marketing and some critical steps you can take to get started with it. Let's delve light in how to earn money by digital marketing. The are most popular method to make money with digital marketing. First, make money is contact writer. Second, become is SEO expert and sales SEO service. Earn money with affiliate marketing. Sales converts to complex. Earn money by selling ads. Work is social media manager. Create and selling on a digital product. Become your YouTube advertising partner. Become in e-commerce specialized. 10th number, manage PPC campaigns for other campaigns. 11, get a digital marketing job. 11, start your own digital marketing agency. First, make money is contract writer. Contract writer involves planning and writing contracts for online channel. It's usually part digital marketing strategy and can writing a well-ranked to contact type and place articles, blog posts for social media and script for video to become is contact writer, especially your needs. I developer a very to scale and meet great qualification. This increase writing skill, keyword skill, SEO skill, analyze skill. If you want to work for a company, you are sold plan on having a college degree, usually in joining marketing, e-commerce college degree. A large improvement is freelancing. Digital marketing full course best way to learn digital marketing. Become a successful digital marketing. Increase your traffic in 60 days or last trust by more than 3,000 students. Download now. Whether your work increase or with company orbital defect contact marketing certification can help boost both your skill and report traction. They are planned to contact marketing course both free and paid that you can use to get certificate. It's also good practicals to start your own blog. This will allow you to factor developers you can scale and can survey and selling points when look to source you a job freelancing client. How much money can you make is contact specialty. It depends on the job possible and number of factors. For example, if you work a company, the average because salary for content writer is 3,509 per month dollars average because salary. per month $3,509 most benefit. If your work is contract marketing freelancing, you can get paid per price per articles etc. You can change anywhere between 0.10 sharia and 0.5 15 sharia for each word you write. The extra rate dependent on the type of content and your level of example and the subject. You can also bring the necessary skill and become a content marketing specialist. In this case, the average salary for a content marketing specialist is 80,000 per year. This number vary because your location and level expansion requires to become contact professional. How to become contact, especially a complete guide on how to become contact marketing specialist for scratch. Best digital marketing certificate, a list of course you can using to learn the basic of digital marketing and copywriting. Second number, become an SEO expert and sales SEO service. SEO is one of the most improvement across digital marketing and master is can useful and very difficult role. As an SEO expert, you can sell your service of client large version in the marketing. To become as an SEO expert, you first need I understand the details of how search engine work. After then you will need become developing your SEO skill. The as on strategy of SEO marketers on the web. It's recommended to find a high qualification SEO as you can easily get lost stepping target the client amount and articles. As your knowledge and skill begin to grow, you will get familiar with the popular SEO tool to help streamlining the way your work. SEO in conversion changing SEO. It's important to stay up to date and all the latest SEO changing and become able to adjust your project according to successful selling your service. You can need building a network of pointing clients, create websites to provide your background and SEO and list your service. You can start and blog and put your SEO skill to work by delivering target traffic to your site. As you can start to gain client your event to keep declared records of your results so you can create cases student you can use to win more business. How much can make is an XU expert. The average hourly rate for SU concert is between $50 to one 105. Price vary per country and expense. How much do you charge per hour? SU partners. The average salary on SU manager work in agreement company 77 per year. Because become SU professional SU certificate in list of your most recommendation SU certification your peers and get certified. How to start career on SU around advice on how to make career SEO professional. How to learn SEO. A learn plan on how to learn SEO for scratch. 3. Earn money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business mode where you earn commission by referring sales on other products. The product of StagRead, you find product, you went promotion, career website, promotion, target product and drive increase version you to your affiliate program. How to work. There are two primary types of affiliate partnership. Strategy program where you are establish an account related with company and affiliate network. You can join and manage multiple partner on single platform. As your blog will be the primary way to promoting your affiliate product. It's important in professional keyword research before staggering on niche. This way you can see the monthly search value for rating terms and gets an estimate for the amount of traffic you can be able granted. You want to play partner accounts to keyword with transaction search interest. These are search terms that include some in close buying a product. They often increase work like buy, get discounts, etc. Also look for search terms with company interest. The work increase some and by buying process but risk declined and especially product the very increase like base revenue product was practically focusing on the keyword with will help you monetize the traffic you are playing your website or once you have idea of type your product when to sell. You can need great your blog and start writing contact closing the right keyword with make eraser get staggery and you can fund product campaigns and revenue the provide your interest first. Well, you can join affiliate program before you start your blog. It's often a good practical to wait unit you are receiving some traffic. After all, you can need traffic to be available to grant sale anyway. Plus, many affiliate programs have requirement for approval and many require that you already have an estimate how much can you make. Target affiliate marketing is hacked and protected, but you will need to establish web traffic generated a good amount of traffic to your website to see management result. If you have partner in building the business, you can easily make 6 figures per year from affiliate marketing for sales, contract service and complaints. Once have some digital experience under your can, but you can manage your scale, manage digital contracts and start selling contract service to other companies. Take the following step. Get started green. Defend your year. First, your needs to be available defense to especially service of client friend. Your area in digital marketing where you are on Instagram. High demand service target cold increase. Social media brands, video marketing, influx marketing, local marketing, email marketing, web analysis and reporting. Start blogging once you can demand especially service you will offer. The next step is blending process. A website will serve is the hub is the hub version can learn more about You can with website a place billing your blog using you can writing about digital marketing topic retail so your contact service will be help device treatment traffic to a business will factor explain your online personal build network. The more you grow your network, the areas it will be to find new clients. Use your professional network to find companies that could interest your service. You can also reach out product clients, see if they have any content looking for digital marketing. How much can your is digital marketing cost? A digital marketing cost will depend on the partner area, expense, project, script, and level experiment. 5 number earn money by selling ads. Run at your site, popular ways monetize your website traffic. Be anyways that's defined money with ads. Your website need to have a lost traffic will be first billing your ads. It's good idea suspendment your monetize effect target affiliate marketing by effect your honor digital product. There are many advertising program available. You can to monetize traffic. The most popular billing Google AdSense. Where you sign in Google AdSense and add approval code to your website, Google will start saving ads your own web page. Your your ads can grant a revenue target views and clicks. However, Google plays very later for views if you any at all. The amount that you earn will vary, especially depending on your website category, audience, and more. Recognition on these factors you need to plan granted contact traffic to see any magical income. They are a network other than Google AdSense with popular projection equal media nets and popular ads. If your website is already getting set amount to traffic and you get control over ads that's popular your website you can selling director your website create and advertise with use page for your blog digital defense to form available and how much cost your event increase improve traffic strategy billing now the value they are receiving if you don't want marketing selling the ads useful these are service online marketplace where you can list your ads popular some popular option billing other ads how can you make selling ads your website no matter and ads yours use where you will get of page impression month seal Google AdSense 1 million Google AdSense RPM revenue per thousand impression can range between 0.0 to 3. 6. Work is social media. Work is social media is great at where use your skill make money. Target digital marketing is social media manager. You can look brand only target very your exposed and invest for written and specializing creator graphic running ads to re-link follower e-commerce these service to waste can fund social media manager you can sell it possible company will discount and fund digital marketing you can work is digital marketing freelance like selling constant service your network and stably how much can make money social media 7 number, create and selling on other digital products. You can put your digital marketing experiments at good sellings on a digital products, ebook, course, web terms. How much make money product ads becomes a YouTube advertising partner. If you want money, digital marketing target video, create your YouTube channel and become advertising partner. Ninth, become an e-commerce specialist. Is commission continue grow, digital price need a e-commerce especially grow with it. 10 number, manage PPC campaigns your other campaigns. 11, great digital marketing jobs. 11, 12, start your own digital marketing agreement. This video, like, subscribe my channel for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.